Hi everyone, my name is Pinky. I'm volunteer from Herman Foundation. Today we are here to pay tribute to late Kamaljeet Kaur, whose life was cut short due to domestic violence in her own house, in her own dwelling. And the perpetrator was none other than her husband. We are all still in shock and trying to compose ourselves. Domestic violence is a very serious issue which impacts many lives in Australia. 50 women every year get killed, which is an average of 1 woman every week. 1 in 3 women and 1 in 5 men are experiencing violence in their day-to-day life. How can this be derooted from the community? How can someone take charge of your life and murder you, or abuse you, or do domestic violence in your day-to-day? This is a serious issue and a matter of concern, and it is high time we all should rise above, join hands with each other, and fight against violence. Consequences are very hard for the family, which is left behind. It is very hard for the society to digest it, and also for the youth to accept it. And the solutions are more harder. Now we have to join hands and fight this battle together. We have to start saying no to the violence. There is no excuse. Anyone can abuse you or do domestic violence or murder you. No excuse, none whatsoever. If you or someone you know is facing domestic violence in their life, don't stay back. Help them or help yourself. What you can do? You can start talking to your friends and families. It is good to talk to someone because they might have the solution which you can't see. If you are not able to handle the situation, call 000. Take an AVO, Apprehended Violence Orders, so that you can stay safe wherever you are in peace and take conscious actions for your life. Talk to Lifeline Australia, 13 11 14. You can talk to Beyond Blues, who can take care of your depression, anxiety on 1300 22 46 36. You can also talk to White Ribbon on 1800 Respect. Talk to us, Herman Foundation. We are here for you. We will help you grow emotionally, financially, and mentally. We will support you so that you can support yourself. We will take care of all of your needs so that your mind is at peace and you can think about your problem and take action consciously. We are not gonna behold you. We are not gonna leave you there. If you want continuous support, we are here to give you support as long as you want. And the decision will be yours. We will empower you so that you can take decision of your life yourself. We will work according to you so that you don't feel secluded in the situation. We have open arms and hands for you till the end, till whenever you want the situation to be handled for. And also, we have seen in the past so many victims that are associated with us are volunteers in our team today, and they are empowering other people from Herman Foundation. How beautiful is that? See how the seed is growing. So it's a humble request to everyone, take preventative measures so that you are not ended up in any situation like this. Your life is precious. You are precious. Your happiness is precious. Stay safe, be safe wherever you are. Don't get trapped in your fear. Don't become slave of your fear. Thank you so much.